Wait a minute.
Today I'm opening up this big MRE box. And I can't even... Go, scissors! Scissors!
Help me.
Sit!
Somebody get this for me. Somebody
I got
get
a strap.
this for me. Get this from me. Somebody get this for me. Somebody else.
That's better.
Oh, Kobe.
Thank you.
Look what I got. I just got 2 of these out. Oh, and this one is going to be in a square. And I'm going to have to open this. I don't know how.
I got 2.
Why is this thing so heavy?
2.
Why is this thing so heavy? Can you help, Daddy?
Look what I made it.
Here, let me try.
Can I use it with the scissors?
Wow, this is on tight. There we go.
Well, there we go.
That is really in there.
That's a monster box.
Yeah, monster box. Wait, look how big this one is.
Okay, show people what's in there, kid.
There's a lot of MREs in this big boxy.
Take them out.
Look at this big one.
Owie. Owie.
Tell people what's in it.
There's a bunch of MREs. Like there's like 100 of them. MREs. Cooper, no. We already got this MRE out, so we're gonna Cooper.
Ow.
Me and my little brother are just gonna get the MREs out. That sounds dead.
Yes.
Well, yeah. Good job, Jackson.
2 more.
Okay, 4 more.
2 more. Let's get it. We got
Look how much MREs we got.
Count them.
Count them? Okay, Cooper.
What?
Okay, Cooper, I'm just going to put this box down. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
There's 12 MREs.
All right, you want to read what some of these
I'm going to
contain?
read this one.
All right.
Menu. Well, the first one this is menu 13. Cheese. I don't even know how to read this thing. There's a long word in it.
Pick another.
This one has a lot.
Read it.
I don't know. Menu 20. Install. I don't know what this thing is. No. I'm gonna read these.
How about
Okay, I'll read this one.
together
Menu 14.
and it can
Why are these so
I make the double one. I make the double one.
Okay. MRE. Menu 15. It has something like chicken inside because I heard the word chicken inside. Okay. Menu. Oh yeah. Menu 16. Chicken. I don't know. I'm just gonna open a random one. Scissors.
I'm putting them over there.
Let's do. I am picking the Mexican rice and bean bowl. There's a lot of MREs. There's 11 more. 11 more. This one. Done.
What?
Aren't you keeping one to open? Oh, there it is.
There it is. We're gonna open this one up.
Can I do the rest?
Or no.
Mommy.
Cooper, no whining.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay, that's it. There's only one package in there. Second package.
Is there juice in there?
There's nothing in there. I think I can do this.
I want to eat it. Daddy, do not just quit crying. I want to eat it right now.
That one last.
I want to eat it right now.
It says Cooper, no.
What?
When I say that, I'm gonna open this one up. You hear that? It says pretzel nuggets. Cooper, not yet.
What is
We're
that?
gonna open the pretzel nuggets. You wanna see what they look like?
Can I see?
Try. Mmm. It's the cheese and pretzel mixed together. I like this. It's really good.
What's that of?
I don't know what it is.
I think those are condiments. Like salt, pepper,
Yeah, salt.
sugar,
Sugar, yeah.
napkins.
Napkin.
What is this?
What is in
thing?
here? What's this thing? That's probably gonna be our whatever. I don't know.
What is this thing?
That's probably gonna be a Russian bean bowl. Yep. Can you help me, Daddy? No, I scissor.
I need help. Daddy, can you help me? Daddy, can you help me?
I'll help. Oh, we got scissors, so we'll open that. But once we open this.
I'm gonna open this one.
Okay, Cooper, but we gotta see what's in here. Okay, what's in here? It's cheese.
Can I taste?
Wanna see? Okay. Oh,
Well,
I always remember these. The giant crackers.
giant crackers.
I laughed about these.
Me too.
What was that?
I don't know.
That was the vacuum seal being released from it.
Okay, that
That's
makes no
giant
sense.
cracker.
Giant cracker.
There's actually two.
Just chilling there.
Yeah, the old crunch stuff.
Um,
Let's see the ones that are out.
Maybe put some cheese on it.
Yeah. Here, I'll get this one out for you.
I want to put some cheese on it.
Okay, put some cheese on it. Here's the cheese up.
What?
Get out.
No. Oh, can I spread it out with?
There. Two
Thanks.
crackers.
I like it. I don't know who did this today.
Cheese. Now they have to. Matt. Okay, we're gonna try this. It's it. I don't. It says it's an energy bar. You know who's gonna eat this? Me. No, me. I need more energy.
Me too.
More energy. Energy bar. Okay, here's the energy bar. For some reason, it is red. I don't know why, but it's red.
Can
I'm
I
tired. Oh. It's cranberry. It's really good. I like it.
Can I have another bite, please?
One more.
Okay.
Why don't you tear it in half and give Koopy half?
Thanks. I don't know why it's red. I don't know why it's red.
Best energy bar I ever had.
Chocolate energy bar is supposed to be brown, but I don't know why this one is good.
So far as MRE was really good. It was really good.
What? I'm not rude.
But you want to hear a story about MRE? One time, literally, MRE had like a whole bag of Twizzlers in it. A whole bag. It was a really big bag of Twizzlers.
What are we gonna do next?
Heat up the main course.
How do we do that? That is our main course heating pouch.
Found the spot.
So, here's our main course. Mexican rice and beans. Here is our heating pouch. So, we're going to tear this open. And Jackson, go ahead and stuff that in there.
Stuff what in there?
Above these heating elements.
Is it high?
These things have heating elements in it. So stick it on top of that white pad in there. Nope, this thing.
Can I do what's in here?
Jackson, take a little water and just fill it up to that line right there.
I don't know what to do. Dad, can you hold it?
Nope.
Cooper, can you hold it? Hold it. No, open like this.
Okay.
And hold it up so the kids can see.
Hold
Put
it
it
up.
over the table in case we spill it.
Okay.
And don't overfill it.
Don't overfill
It
it.
just takes a little bit. Okay, now take the top and roll it over.
This?
Nope. Goopy, that's going to get hot real quick. And stick it in here.
Wait, Dad, is it hot for you?
And it's already getting hot, boys.
So we gotta do this quick?
Mm-hmm.
It's get hot. I hear it sizzling.
Me too.
Okay, we're gonna get this thing out. It is hot.
Yup. This is kind of hot. It's not.
It's not hot at all, actually. Okay,
It's
now I
hot.
don't know what to do.
Not either.
Where are the scissors? Oh,
This is good.
there's more pack.
I can hold the spoon.
Ugh.
I can hold the spoon. caveman. I'm a caveman. I'm acting like a caveman.
Now I
I'm
don't know
acting
what
like
to
a
do.
caveman. I'm acting
Can you
like
help
a
me?
caveman.
Yeah, just cut it open.
We're gonna cut this the long way, so it's kind of like a bowl.
Baba. Baba.
Cooper, can I have the spoon?
Sure.
What's in there?
Hot sauce?
Nope.
What is it then? What is it? I'm not going.
Okay, I'm gonna try this. It's very hot.
Is it good?
That's amazing. It's really good. I like this.
So what's your favorite part of this MRE?
This part, this is so good.
My favorite is definitely the 6-7 part.
No, there's no 6-7 part.
Mine's definitely.
The,
Where's your sheet?
the giant cracker.
Yes. Daddy, where's that crunch? Where's that cheesy thing again?
I don't know where it is.
Daddy, where's that cheesy thing again? Daddy, where's that cheesy thing again?
This is really good.
Let me eat all of it.
Yes.
Look at that. Is it good?
I can eat this forever. It's really good, Cooper.
We'll share with your brother.
You want a bite?
Yes.
It's hot.
Really hot?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah. I don't like it. Okay, can you open it? Wait, is it really yummy?
Yeah.
What just happened to you?